you're experiencing account sync issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Before making any changes, verify if the Rockstar Games servers are operational. Visit the official Rockstar support website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. Step 2. Restart your game. Post GTA 5 completely and restart it. This can clear temporary glitches and may help in re-establishing the connection to your account. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and install any available patches, as these often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 4. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game installation folder and deleting the cache files. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Rockstar Social Club account. Go to the Social Club website, log in, and navigate to the settings to manage linked accounts. After unlinking, restart the game and link your account again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue in GTA 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.